Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me Qari Faisal Shafiq and you are watching Join Online Quran YouTube channel. Yes listeners, in the previous lectures we discussed different tahajji letters. So still tahajji series is continue and today we are going to discuss 13 tahajji letter which is SHEEN. But before going to start our today's lecture, I'll request all of you please subscribe our YouTube channel and must share all the lectures on your social media accounts. Okay listeners, so now we are going to start our today's lecture and today we are going to discuss this new tahajji letter. So today's lecture is on this new letter which is SHEEN. In today's lecture we will discuss how to pronounce this new letter, this new tahajji letter SHEEN, and how we can sound this correctly and how we can originate, how we can pronounce this correctly according to the point of pronunciation. Okay, first of all, we are going to sound this. What's the correct sound of this letter? So you can sound this letter as SHEEN with sheshing sound. Okay, so how you can sound this letter correctly? When you will put your middle of your tongue with your upper hard palate. So you can see the point of pronunciation of this letter SHEEN when you will touch your middle of your tongue with the upper hard palate. So then you can pronounce this letter correctly. But remember, you cannot sound this letter with the nasal sound like SHEEN, SHEEN, SHEEN. So this sound is actually wrong sound. So you have to sound this letter without nasal sound like SHEEN, SHEEN. So Jeem, same like a Jeem sound. So Jeem, Sheen, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the picture. So this picture is showing inside of your mouth. So there are three parts of your tongue. First one is front part of your tongue, second part is middle of your tongue, and third is back of your tongue. So when you will pronounce this letter SHEEN, so you will put this middle of your tongue with your upper hard palate, okay, opposite of your middle tongue. So then you can pronounce this letter SHEEN correctly. So once again, I'm going to sound this letter with a correct sound and with a correct point of pronunciation of this letter. So you can sound this letter as SHEEN, like that. And I hope you are listening all the previous lectures and you are practicing other tahajji letters which we discussed already in the previous lectures. Inshallah, very soon I'll discuss next remaining tahajji letters in next coming lectures. Thank you so much for listening me today. Inshallah, we'll see you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.